In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a shareable link automatically after capture in Sharex. By the end, every screenshot you take will upload on its own, and a ready-to-share link will be waiting in your clipboard so you can paste it anywhere without extra clicks. Start by launching Sharex from your desktop so you're on the main window. We'll first tell Sharex what to do immediately after a capture finishes. In the main window, click After Capture Tasks. This panel controls the automated actions that run the moment you take a screenshot. To enable automatic uploading, click Upload Image to Host so it becomes highlighted. When you see it emphasized, that means it's active. With this on, Sharex will push your new image straight to your chosen hosting service as soon as the capture completes. No manual upload required. Next, we'll handle what happens after the upload. Back in the main window, click After Upload Tasks. This is where you decide what Sharex should do once the file is online. Click Copy URL to clipboard so it's highlighted. That tells Sharex to take the freshly generated link and place it directly in your clipboard. When both of these options are active, upload after capture, then copy the link after upload. You've created a fully automatic pipeline from capture to shareable link. Now let's confirm where your screenshots are being uploaded. Click Destination Settings. In the left sidebar, select Image Uploader. This is the list of services Sharex can use to host your images. Make sure a reliable service like Imgur is selected. Imgur is a common default that works well for quick, anonymous uploads, though Sharex also supports other hosts if your organization prefers a different destination. Some services may offer account-based uploads, rate limits, or privacy options, so choose the one that fits your needs best. At this point, you're set. Take a quick test screenshot using your usual capture method. You'll notice Sharex briefly indicates it's uploading. As soon as it's done, the shareable link is added to your clipboard automatically. Just paste it into a chat, email, or document to share. If you ever don't get a link, double-check that Upload Image to Host is enabled under After Capture Tasks and that Copy URL to Clipboard is enabled under After Upload Tasks, and make sure your selected image host is reachable on your network. That's all you need to streamline your screenshot workflow in Sharex. Capture, upload, copy, hands-free and instant.